Hello and welcome to the first video on SAT Maths. Today's topic is systems of linear expressions or equations in one variable. I will be solving easy questions and then medium questions and then hard questions in a series of videos for you. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment if you are watching these videos. Um, I will start solving immediately and explain to you whatever concepts are coming on the way, and we'll go through the questions together. Okay. So if they please make sure to pause the video and solve the question yourself. If you're watching these videos, the best way to develop is to practice yourself and see if you get the wrong answer or the right answer. So 2y plus root of a equals to 4, where a is greater than 0 as a constant, then what is the value of 3y minus 2? So I'm looking for the value of 3y minus 2 and a equals to 4. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to write a equals to 4. So the root of 4 is 2. So this becomes 2y plus 2 equals to 4. 2y equals to 4 minus 2. 2y equals to 2 and y equals to 1. So 3 times 1 minus 2 gives me 3 minus 2, which is 1 again. So the correct answer should be 1. Let's type that here and press submit. Let's see if we get the correct answer. Okay, so that was an easy question. Let's look at the next question. Okay, now questions like these can also be solved directly on your calculator, and I'm going to demonstrate that in a little bit and show you how that can be done. Or let's first do this manually. So this becomes 1.5y plus 7 times 0.5 is 3.5 equals to 1.7y plus 4.5. So 3.5 minus 4.5 gives you 1.7y minus 1.5y. Minus 1 equals to 0.2y. So y equals to minus 1 divided by 0.2. If you're not sure, you can do that on a calculator, and that should give you the correct answer. That is y equals to minus 5. And I press submit. Okay. Now, I could have done this entire thing on a calculator directly. See how that can be done. You go to your calculator's equation solver mode. So I go to equation, I go to solver, and I now have the input equation option. Okay, this is the ClassWiz 991 CW calculator. So you can use that, and it has this option where you can solve equations directly. 3, I don't have y, but I'm going to write x, and I'm going to write 3x plus 7, and shift and bracket gives me an equals to 1.7x plus 4.5. Okay, and when I press execute, it's going to ask me for an initial value. Let's say I don't know the correct answer. I say, let's say x equals to 2 is the correct answer, and I ask this to execute, and it's going to tell me that the correct answer is indeed minus 5. Okay, let's look at the third question. If the equation 5x plus 3x equals to 32, what is the value of 12x plus 10y? So I think that's easy. I'm going to write 8x equals to 32, x equals to therefore 4. 12 times x plus 10. So 12 times 4 plus 10 gives me 58. Okay, I think that should be the correct answer. Let's check. Yes, that indeed is the correct answer again. Let's go on to the next question. It says the expression is 2z minus 4 root 2 equals to 2 root 2. What is the value of z? So 2z equals to 2 root 2 plus 4 root 2. Okay, and 2z equals to, this becomes 6 root 2. So z becomes 6 root 2 divided by 2 equals to 3 root 2. Now, if you did this on a calculator, I'm pretty sure it's going to give you a decimal value rather than a root in the answer, and that's something that you have to adjust, and we'll see how to verify those answers later on in some other question. Okay, so my answer is 3 root 2. Let's check if that is the correct answer. Yes, that indeed is the correct answer again. Let's look at this question. Please pause and answer this yourself if you want to while I solve. Calculate the time in minutes Michael took to cover a distance of 126 kilometers at a speed of 7 root 3 kilometers per minute. Okay, so distance is 126 and speed is 7 root 3 kilometers per minute. So my unit is consistent. I'm going to say that I want to calculate time. So time is always distance upon speed. Okay, 126 divided by 7 root 3. Okay, so I go to the normal mode on my calculator, not the equation mode, and I can do this. I can do this on my calculator, and I hope it's going to give me the correct answer. There's 6 root 3 minutes. Okay, that brings us to the end of the set of easy questions, and I will see you in the next video with the set of medium questions. Thank you for watching.